All right, guys. So welcome to Inca 4x4, and I'm here, and we're checking out this new AC, the mini split, 63 degrees, and we're setting up our power system for a customer here in our camper, the slide-in camper. And unfortunately, I'm not at an epic camp spot. I'm just in my garage, and it's like 100 and something degrees. But we're gonna go over this camper. We got some cool stuff for Tacomas. So if you got a 3rd gen or 4th gen Tacoma, you're not gonna wanna miss this. We got a crazy deal on the campers here. And then we also have toppers from Overland Vehicle Systems. So this here is gonna get a whole battery inverter setup. It's got a water tank, shower, hot water, and we got some other stuff we're installing, Garmin power switches, we're gonna put lights, Joka hot tap, and more. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll go over some of these cool campers we got and some of the specials we got. So if you're in Metro Atlanta or nearby, Inca4x4 that's the best prices and fast shipping on 4x4 gear. If you order camper awnings, toppers, any of those kind of things, we always do free installs if you order with us from the trusted brands we carry. So if you want to see more about this truck here, or this sliding camper, I'll share a video. But this is a customer, Mike's, and he bought this camper. We're just kind of setting up some stuff for him, but he went with the Power Queen batteries. So he's got 400 amp hour batteries, and it's got like 400 amp hours. These are 100 amp hour lithium batteries. We still have to do stuff to it, secure them down. This is just kind of like testing it out. So I'm gonna cut this off. This opens up, you could sleep long ways, but there's a video for this. And we had to do the Julka water heater. So that is gonna be a whole thing. These Garmin power switches, I really like this with Morimoto lighting. You can't go wrong with that. We'll have some Gazelle tents, and that you can hear, that's a 10,000 BTU mini split, so that's the hot air ducting out. There's a shower out here. The customer went with the Taruka shower awning. They have a really nice, the V2 shower awnings, so that's gonna be really nice. And he went with the Taruka 270 awning, the plus one. So it's going to come out and it's going to have red, white, and amber lights, dimmable on each arm. And the nice thing about them is that they have the risers so the water doesn't pool. And yeah, this is going to go on a XD Nissan Titan, and he's going to drop the tailgate. But yeah, if you want to see more, we have video. So this here is a topper for a Tacoma, 3rd gen Tacoma, and we have the sleeping section for it. So like this, and this is what I want to talk to you guys about. This here we have for $7,800. It includes assembly and installation, the wiring for the running and brake lights, and yeah, it comes. So our campers here, when you order them like this with us, really easy to install. We have a forklift. So we drop them in really easy. We have 3 crossbars that are included with this. I don't have them installed on this yet, but you get 3 crossbars so you could put bike racks up there, solar panels, whatever you need. This here is a really thick insulation kit that Velcros off. You have the venting up there. You have pockets in here. You have the thick, weather resistant fabric. And the mesh, it's like a thicker mesh, so it's not one that's gonna like rip real easily. It's very similar to like the ALU-CAB one that I have on our Icarus conversion. You have L-track down the side here. You can attach different things, and this comes up, and you have the Molly system here. And then you have the window there, and you also have the window here. But on the back, you get the whale tail with the rubber seal, so that way it doesn't mess up like the key there. You get 3 dividers. So the dividers you can take, like I've seen people take out the back one and leave it out, and then what they'll basically, it'll give you a space to like climb in, and then the other ones you can either keep one or leave one. So that's pretty cool. All right, so you have the tensioning rods. They come up here, give you a little bit of extra shade, a little bit of extra coverage. Again, you're gonna get 5 awning brackets, and I'll show you the awning brackets here. You get 5 of these awning brackets that are adjustable. Highly recommend the Taruka awnings, but you get 3 for your 270 awning, and you get 2 for a shower awning. So right out the box, $7,800. That's everything included: installation, tax, everything. You get everything. You don't need to buy extra brackets to mount your awnings. You don't need to buy extra crossbars. You don't need to buy like anything extra. These channels are really easy. You remove these corner pieces and you can slide bolts on the top too. We'll climb in here in a second. The bedding, it's fairly comfortable, but you know, you can always upgrade to like a Hest one or something different. You got nice keyed locks, so you can lock it from the outside. And yeah, you can attach a whole bunch of stuff. We actually had I did 2 toppers, one for Silverado and one for F-150. F-150 customer, he had a really nice setup, yeah, like a deck drawer system, and he already like organized a bunch of stuff, but we put like some lights on the side for him, ones that turn red and white, which is pretty cool. So when the gull wings are open, yeah, I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with a topper like this. If you're looking for one, I've gone down that progression where I've gotten a rack with a soft shell rooftop tent. The soft shell rooftop tent is a lot to set up, and then you sell it to get the hard shell rooftop tent, but all your stuff's getting dirty, so you get the camper. You sell that because you hate having to climb in from the outside, and then you eventually get this. By the time you sell a lot of that stuff, you lose a lot of money. It's very wasteful. So if you're able to do it, $700-800. You know, some of these rooftop tents are very expensive, and the canopies are very expensive. So it's just nice that from one straight shot you can build out a sitting area. If the weather's really bad, you can move everything to the side and you can work standing up or anything like that. And then these mollies here are really cool. This will bolt up to the bed rails from the Tacomas. So I'll show you in here. So we just have it mounted to a pallet so we can see. And all this is like laser welded, almost 4 millimeters thickness of walls. Everything's trussed. You have adjustability in these doors if you need it to like open up less or open up higher. Everything is sealed really well, and we'll go over everything with you so that way you're 100% on the setup. But like I said, all these here, you can slide them up in here. And you got the venting, pockets, just super easy. There's no need to go all the way out west to get a topper. If you're looking for something local, you can check us out. We have a bunch of videos on our different campers, different setups we've done before. But if you need anything else, like dirt box or ALU-CAB or Boon Detect or anything, just hit us up because we have a lot of this stuff available, or you can order us with us and we'll give you a really good discount especially if you bundle. If you know what you want, you really, I always recommend shower awning, where you're going to sleep, the tent, what you're going to do for power station. Like if you bundle all that with us, we'll give you a good discount and we'll install it all for free, as long as you get it with us. The one stuff we have that's really cool, and I think it's a really good value, is these OVS toppers. I try to keep them in stock for Tacoma. So we have a 3rd gen and 4th gen Tacoma, because they're 3rd gen's $2,600, and then it's, you know, really heavy duty. They have a lot of accessories, overland vehicle systems for this kind of stuff. So if you need anything down the road, there's really good help. And for $2,600 here installed, you can't beat it. We'll install. We'll wire up to your taillight with the forklift. Don't take that long. Just drop it in, connect everything. Should be about an hour and a half installation, and then you're out of here. But if you're not local and you're still looking for good deals, just feel free to come out and shoot us a message. Just say, Lewis, hey, I'm looking for X, Y, and Z. I'll put together a package for you, send you an invoice. And we have customers in California, Washington State, everywhere. And especially for the ICOs, our trail bags, make sure to go to our website, Inca4x4 Overland Outfitters.com. If you have any questions on any of this, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here about 30 minutes south of Atlanta Airport, and we can get you taken care of. And hope to see you on the trail. We'll be at Mountain West soon. And yeah, we do most of the Overland Expo. So appreciate you guys.